Hello everyone. That being said, let's start with the size. The functionality I'm going to talk about fits into a space that's smaller than the most popular pickup truck in the US, the F-150. We didn't cheat on width, height, or length PA. This is the main design change. We moved the mass to the outside and made an exoskeleton. Usually, a truck has a body on frame and a bed on frame, and the body and the bed don't do anything useful. They're just carried like cargo, like a bag of potatoes. This is how airplanes were built when they had biplanes. Moving the stress to the outside skin lets you do things that you can't do with a body frame. You're about to go on an exciting journey into the future of Tesla, one of the world's most innovative companies. Imagine a world where the money you put grows. More than your wildest dreams, from a small amount of money to a huge fortune. How the answer lies in the power of 100 Tesla shares in the game-changing year of 2030. But what secrets does the future hold? How does Tesla's journey from now to 10 years from now unfold, from groundbreaking innovations to strategies that change the market? We're going into great detail about the options. Are you ready to find out what's possible? Stay tuned as we reveal the scenarios, the triggers, the challenges, and the victories. This isn't just a story about stocks. It's also about having a vision, your goals, and the future. Brilliance. In this movie, we'll talk about how Tesla stocks might go up in value, looking at 3 different possible futures for 2030, ranging from a bad dream to a good one. Come with us as we look into the things that could make $100 worth of Tesla stock worth a lot of money. We'll talk about Tesla's innovation problems and the strategies that could affect its future stock value. Get ready for an exciting and educational trip into the heart of one of the world's most talked about companies. Don't miss this thrilling adventure. Sign up and come along for the ride. Welcome to Tesla Stock News, your guide to the future of trading. Let's start by looking at how much 100 Tesla shares might be worth by the year 2013. You won't want to miss the opportunities to learn on this discovery trip, so come along with us. At first, people didn't believe the Cybertruck announcement because they thought it wasn't important. But in the next 24 months, that opinion might change. By 2023, Tesla, a $100 billion company, will have 4 incredibly successful models, including the Tesla Model Y, which is currently the world's best-selling car model, whether it's powered by gas or electricity. This is an amazing accomplishment, and with Tesla's energy business doing so well, the company's future looks bright. The question is whether the Cybertruck, which has an edgy Star Wars look, will be a huge hit at its current price range of $70,000 to $80,000. The Cybertruck is priced to appeal to a specific group of wealthy customers. This places it at the top of the electric vehicle market, connecting it with luxury and exclusivity. However, this focus on a small niche can be a double-edged sword. It can boost the brand's prestige, but it can also limit the number of customers, limiting the number of people who can handle Cybertrucks. Tesla's history of lowering prices over time is a smart business move that has helped it reach a wider audience. The company's method with the Model 3 and Model Y are good examples. These models were first released at high prices but were later lowered in price. Getting the Cybertruck's price down to around $50,000 could be a game changer for Tesla. This would not only make the truck more accessible to a wider range of buyers, but it would also make Tesla more competitive with other electric truck options on the market. At this price, the Cybertruck would be more in line with other electric vehicles, making it more appealing to a wider range of buyers, including those who are thinking about buying their first electric vehicle. Additionally, making the Cybertruck easier to get could improve Tesla's image as a company that not only leads in innovation, but also makes cutting-edge technology available to the average consumer. This could increase customer loyalty and bring in new buyers who previously thought Tesla vehicles were out of their price range. In contrast, the Ford F-150 Lightning, another electric marvel, has gotten a lot of pre-orders, indicating a strong market interest. Even though the Cybertruck has gotten 2 million pre-orders, it's estimated that only a small portion will actually be delivered. But even a small increase in sales could have a big effect on Ford's market share. The real question is whether Tesla can keep its prices low even though battery prices are going down and new products are coming out quickly. Tesla is in a good situation for what could be the biggest truck battle in the history of cars. Because Tesla takes a different approach to the car business and investing in general, buyers need to be very clear about how much risk they are willing to take and make smart choices about Tesla's future. Let's think about this. If one Tesla share is worth $22,000 today, imagine how much your investment portfolio could grow if you own Tesla shares. This goal may seem lofty, but it's not impossible. As an interesting guess for investors, we will now talk about 3 possible outcomes for Tesla's stock price by 2030. These are not just guesses. They are projections based on a number of assumptions and factors. So buckle up, because we're about to go on an exciting trip to learn more about Tesla's future, with the much-anticipated $25,000 Tesla model taking center stage. Shows off Tesla's big plans, especially the much-anticipated Beast, a high-end car that costs more than $100,000. This high-end model is impressive, but it makes me wonder if the normal consumer, like a college student, will be able to afford it. The need for more affordable electric options is a big issue for many, so let's move on to another exciting Tesla project. It looks like Tesla is making great progress on making a cheap electric car that will be mass-produced. With weekly reviews of production line plans, a lot of work has been made in this area. The manufacturing revolution this car promises will amaze with a production system like no other in the car world. Interestingly, the first line of this groundbreaking car will be in Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas, with plans to expand in Mexico as a secondary location. Many people were surprised by this revelation because they thought the first place would be somewhere else. The Texas facility, which is on a huge 20-acre property, is always growing, with major FIC extensions already underway. As we follow Tesla's stock journey, it's important to tell viewers to stay informed and do their own research. There are many possible turns and twists in the road ahead that could have a big effect on the value of Tesla's stock. The full-scale production and sale of the Cybertruck are important things to keep an eye on. The launch of new Tesla models, improvements in fully self-driving technology, and other factors will have a big impact on the fortunes of Tesla's stock and, by extension, the returns on its investments. Why is Tesla getting so much attention from investors? The answer lies in the company's multifaceted business model. It's not just an automaker. Tesla is involved in many areas, including energy solutions, artificial intelligence, and self-driving cars. To fully understand Tesla's value, experts say that you need to look at each of these areas separately. This gives you an exciting, slightly speculative view of the company's potential. As we begin this journey of exploration, let's look at 2 bold scenarios for Tesla's stock price by 2030. In the first case, a conservative guess Tesla stock is expected to reach a price target of $2,500 per share, but hold on tight. In the second, more optimistic scenario, we see a bull case where Tesla's stock skyrockets to an amazing $22,000 per share. Everyone is wondering how Tesla could reach such sky-high stock prices. This question really is a million-dollar one, and it's sparked a lot of interest and debate. Today, we're going to solve the mystery and take you on a profitable trip of discovery. Tesla's many energy and technology businesses, along with its new ideas for electric cars and self-driving cars, are important factors in figuring out how much it could be worth on the market. Each part of Tesla's business not only adds to the company's value, but also offers a unique path to growth and development. This varied approach makes Tesla stand out in the market and offers many ways to succeed. Tesla's stock prices will depend on a lot of things in the future, like market trends, technological progress, and the state of the world economy. Both investors and Tesla fans need to stay educated and think about these factors. We're going beyond the basics to look at the different possible outcomes for Tesla's stock price by 2030. We'll look at 3 of these situations.